Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil settled higher on Friday, notching a second straight week of gains on easing US-China trade tensions, although prices were held back by expectations of higher supply from Iran and OPEC+. The dollar strengthened after the latest round of economic data showed a rebound in import prices, while consumer sentiment remains subdued as tariff worries jumped, putting it on pace for a fourth straight weekly advance. Gold prices have fallen almost 10% from a record high, just above $3,500 per ounce in April, as a de-escalation in US-China trade tensions punctured momentum. But analysts are sticking with a bullish outlook due to strong underlying support for the metal.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.